Elevate your home's exterior today. For over 30 years, we've heard countless stories of clients frustrated by unreliable roofing quote-unquote legit contractors. That's why we've expanded our services to provide you with a wide range of solutions for all your property situations. Enjoy the highest quality warranties and unmatched workmanship reliability, from roofing to foundations and everything in between. Our comprehensive services include ridge vent and attic fans, chimney pointing repairs and rebuilds, insulation and radiant barrier, shingle coatings, soffit fascia molding, wood siding and fiber cement siding, stucco and exterior waterproofing, vinyl and composite windows, steps and stone work, entry doors, gutters and leaf guards, painting and caulking, pressure washing, skylights, shingles, slate and tile, wood shingles, tuckpointing and waterproofing, brick, block, stone. Since 1990, we've greatly expanded our service to handle all of your exterior property needs while donating over $1 million to families and local charities.